Hello guys, I'm Adrian from adoriani.com, and today we're going to talk about markers and why it is so important to use them in your production. The more you work, the more you discover new things and new shortcuts to make things easier for a better workflow. One of these techniques I use in all my sessions is the use of markers. I started using markers in my production sessions mostly for saving time. The moment I have an idea, I should not search for the bar where the chorus starts or the first verse. You should know exactly the location of the things you need in your session. This is essential in the moments of your creation process. But where are the markers located in Pro Tools? If you pay attention on the left corner in the edit window of Pro Tools, you can see right here a section called Markers. Now, let's say you want to begin your song at the second bar. Put the cursor on the second bar, like this, and hit the plus sign in the Markers section. The new memory location window will appear, and as you can see, you can name your marker. We'll name it First Verse. On the bottom you can put some comments. Maybe you write some lyrics. It's up to you if you are in a production session. Hit OK. We have our first verse marker. Now let's say the chorus part is at bar 15th. Take the cursor to the 15th bar and repeat the process by hitting the plus sign. Let's say you hit OK before writing the name of the location marker, but you want to rename it. Double-click on the marker, and you can rename the marker. One other scenario in which you want to use markers is when you want to mark when vocals start or an instrument. So put another marker at bar 8, for instance. Now it's easier to know where the vocal starts or other important elements in the mix. To make things more interesting, you can go to the Pro Tools menu, Setup, Preferences, Display, and right here under the color coding select Always Display Markers Colors, and hit OK. As you can see now, we have colors between markers, which makes easier for your eyes to navigate through the location of your session. Another way of using marker location is to use loop markers. Say you want to have a location and you want to hear it in a loop. Let's take the chorus as an example. Let's say that the chorus part is between bar 15th and bar 20. We'll select the chorus part, hit the plus sign to add another marker, and here under the time properties, select Selection. Hit OK. It seems that nothing happened. However, if we are going to the Pro Tools menu, Window, Memory Location, you can see here all the location markers we created. Now, when I select bar 15th, you can see there is the loop I selected earlier. However, it is not very clear for me, and I want to rename it. In order to do that, I'm going to double-click on the marker and rename it Chorus Loop. There are other settings that you can set for your markers. Let's take the first one. Let's say when I select the chorus loop marker, I want to preserve also a zoom setting. Double-click and under the general properties, select Zoom Settings. Hit OK. Now let's go to the first verse marker. Zoom out. And when I select the chorus part, I also have the zoom setting I selected earlier. You can try the other settings also, depending on your needs. But the markers can save you a lot of time that you can use for your creation or mixing process. If you like this short video, hit the subscribe and like buttons, say hello to us, and why not, tell us how you love to use the markers in your workflow. Until next time, stay cool and make great music.